Grow a garden. Grow a garden. New working codes. Make sure you guys don't miss on any of these new working codes because we are getting a Easter update. The Easter tree is actually growing. Look, it is growing. The tree is getting bigger and bigger. This is going to be a spookwood, okay? I can tell this is going to be a spookwood. So the update is actually growing the tree, which is super cool to see. And in this next update, we will be getting the Easter update with the new Easter plants. There will be some new plants, and you'll be able to grow Easter eggs. There might even be bunnies, but I'm not certain, okay? I'm not certain if there will be bunnies. But if you do like grow a garden, you probably always need to watch out for your seeds, because you can actually claim yourself the super seed pack for free if you just log in on a daily. If some of you guys might not even knew that, but you can actually get one for free. But there's another free way of getting these super seeds, is actually by commenting down below Easter. If you comment down below Easter, just like that, I'm gonna type it Easter. Look at that. Easter, just like that. Easter. Comment down below Easter, and I will be choosing 3 winners for a super seed. Super seed. 3 people will be getting a super seed, which is amazing, and I'll be sharing with you the new codes. The new codes are very simple. They are actually redeemable in the chat. So you gotta go to your chat and click on the chat, type in /redeem, and then you have to type in release. So with the exclamation point as well, just like I did it over here. These codes are yet to be announced, so we are not certain right now, but anyways, type in /redeem release exclamation point. There you go. We just typed it. And the next code /redeem update 2 /redeem update 2. So once again, guys, this is not a certain code, but you can actually redeem it right now, and in the future we'll be certain to get ourselves some grow a garden codes, surely in the next update.